everybody. Let's give a big round of applause to our next speaker, Mr. Space Gordon.
What up, sige? Aladik speak English Gale tokora camera man. There's a bunch of tech words and who can translate videography into Palau for me? With the wind, with the wind. Okay, my name is Space Gordon and I've been working in the media field for 15 years now. I've worked on huge productions.
Almost 25 years, bro.
So almost 20 years.
Older than your son.
We've done like huge productions, we've done small productions, everything from Discovery to IMAX to Survivor, Discovery Channel, we've done all kinds of stuff. But like it's really easy. There's the basics. Say to teach you the basics. And they have focus, shutter speed, exposure, white balance, frame rate. That's kind of the basic settings for every video camera. And that's kind of hard to explain. That'll take a whole hour. We're going through the basics. So with a video camcorder, exposure is basically your ISO, your shutter speed, and your aperture all in one. So it's like how bright, I guess it's just how bright your camera is. You guys have your phone and that's basically exposure. And DSLRs are really nice thing. That's like kind of pro level. Sorry for my bad word. Like you have different lenses, you can really focus the focus. And it really, there's a huge difference. You guys Google it, like he said. This is a quick run through. YouTube tutorials, I learn a lot. I still learn from YouTube tutorials. Audio when you're recording video. Audio is just as important as video, maybe even more important. Because there's ways to hide your video, but audio you cannot. If you have bad audio, you got nothing pretty much. You throw away everything recorded, throw it away. If you have bad audio, just never mind. And there's boom mics. You guys know what boom mics are? Boom mics are, have you guys seen them film big production videos where they have that thing? That's a boom mic. Lav mics are when they record interviews and they clip that thing on that's a lav mic. This is all you guys learn audio mics. This is all video mics. It's a whole different category from audio recording mic. But these are just things you should just know about, because you're probably never gonna be able to afford them. And before you leave the office, always bring a pair of headphones. So this is super important.
Yes, we are.
Super important. I've left my office without my headphones, and I thought I was my levels are all perfect. I thought I had perfect audio, and then I came back and there's a buzz through the whole thing. Through the whole thing. Sorry, you gotta edit this now. And it was just a waste of time. I basically wasted 2 hours because my audio was bad. Make sure your audio is good. Make sure it's good. Always bring a pair of headphones. You can use iPods, whatever. You didn't monitor a sound. Always monitor your sound when you're recording video. Okay, shooting 101. This is maybe the most important thing I'll teach you today. And you can use this every day. When you take a picture, you can use this, the rule of thirds. It's basic rule of photography. It just makes everything look better. Nobody can explain why. But even some cameras, you'll have these lines, huh? You see them. It'll be built into your camera. So you want to put your subject in one of those lines. And like if you can put your subject there and maybe like a flower here, it just makes your shot like super super. It just looks good, like visually appealing. If that makes sense. Visually appealing. Like if you don't even listen to the rest of this. Just learn this. You'll use this every day when you take pictures with the camera. So like when you're shooting your music videos, wide shot, you're establishing where you're at. Establishing shot, that's what we call it in the biz. Establishing, so for example, maybe I'm shooting something at Amayon Cultural Center. My first shot is a wide of Amayon. So you know exactly where we are. We're at Amayon, and then you like start moving closer. So you get your wide, and then you get your medium. Medium shot is like maybe this or this. Medium shot is like I guess it's the most versatile shot. It shows movement, like a lot of movement. If somebody's speaking with their hands, like a Donald Trump, you know, speaking with his hands, you wanna get all the action in your shot. That's a medium shot. And a medium shot is like it shows a lot. It's the most versatile shot you can have. And if you have a 6K, 4K camera, which is a whole, you can shoot wide and you can like zoom in. This is for you and you. But we don't have expensive cameras like that, so we're mostly shooting 1080. 1080, 4K. You guys have heard about 4K? Who's heard about 4K? So if you have a 4K camera, shoot wide because you can like zoom in post. In post-production means in editing. I like a close-up, this medium close-up to a close-up to extreme. It's good at showing emotion. Like you can really get people to like feel you can make people cry with these shots. That makes sense. You can make people cry with these shots, with a close-up and the extreme close-up. Then medium shots are like for action, like a bunch of people together in a crowd. And then the wide shot is just to establish where you are. Moving on. Camera angles, camera angles are coolest. Cool. Because you can like completely like make your audience feel a certain way just by your angle. So the low angle shot, this one, huh? This is all the same person, huh? All the same mannequin. This low angle shot makes him look like he looks superior to you. It makes him look like bigger, stronger. Like makes him look just like he's bigger and better than you, huh? Then the eye level shot is kind of like everybody's the same. Like how you would be in normal life, you just show, what's the way to call it? It's I wrote this down. It's a neutral view, so it's like how you'd be in normal life. Like you're just, oh, that's that guy. Yeah, it's him again. It's not like a low angle, like, oh, that's the president, or oh, that's a little kid. Like a high angle shot, you're kind of looking down on the person, huh? So you're making him look smaller than the audience. And these are just basic camera movements. So I don't know, you've probably seen it before when the camera moves in. That's called geez, I forgot this stuff already. Truck. And then like when it turns like that, that's a roll. Then you like pan is just going across left to right. And then a tilt is like up and down. Basic stuff. Dolly is like the camera's still and then it moves sideways. On like a dolly track, we used to have these tracks. Nowadays they have these stabilizers. You can just walk.
We dollied this
And, like,
10,000 bird.
It looks really nice. Like any movement that's super stable is like nice. Looks really nice. And nowadays, like we used to have like huge like cranes and to do all this stuff. Now they have these stabilizers that you holding your hand. Gonna make no of the edit. But you guys have the tool. I promise. Your cell phone. Your cell can do all of this. And like, if you wanna buy all these extra, like, there's an audio app, like an audio goes into your audio. There's the tripod. There's the lights. You can buy all that, and it's pretty cheap. It's not expensive. You don't have to, and you don't even have to buy all that. You can just use your camera. If you have like, what's the new ones? The S20s?
S25.
S24.
Those things, cameras are not nice. So, you know how you shoot vertical or, like when we first started, like pros will tell you, always shoot vertical, always shoot vertical. Like that was 5 years ago. That's obsolete now because like Instagram is always 9:16, huh? So you're shooting, you're getting all your data like this. So it's 9:16. So those rules have been thrown out the window. Like don't shoot. But you gotta know where you're shooting for, huh? So is your video gonna go out on Instagram? Instagram is like all that content is 9:16. You want it to be on a TV like this, then you're shooting 16:9. So make sure you like before you shoot know where you're like what are you gonna put it out on Instagram? You're gonna put it out on TikTok? Like you want it to be 9:16, which is vertical, or 16:9, which is horizontal. These are questions you need to ask yourself before you even start making your video. Your music video or whatever it is you're doing.
Hello, look over here. This was the script for Talau's music video. Locations.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Storyboard.
That's
That's storyboard. This is storyboard. All shot, Talau driving mainly. All shots, underwater shots.
Underwater.
Oh, church, beach bonfire, Chris Brown featuring TikTok.
Oh.
The style they want, you take inspiration from other places. Storyline, first shot, second shot, third shot, wardrobe per location, where they shoot. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, that's your plan to start shooting.
So you guys can do like verse 1 is seen wherever. The Rock Island.
Well, we don't have a budget to go Rock Island.
So maybe it's KB Bridge or Long Island Park.
Or like Elilai Docks. The sunset. I know.
That's
Long Island.
Verse 2 is certain.
Oh.
You know, like.